Welcome back friend, my name is Dinesh Chauhan and today we are discuss about biotechnology. So first of all, from the today we started the series of lectures on the biotechnology. So this is my first video of that series. Okay, so let's start it with what we discuss in entire this series. Okay, so in entire the series of biotechnology, the contents is first is history of biotechnology. Then we discuss the what is biotechnology and its use, nothing but advantages that we discuss here. Next we discuss the enzymes that use in a biotechnology or in RNA technology. Next we see the steps of RNA technology. Then lastly we see the hazards of biotechnology, or we can see the disadvantages of biotechnology. Okay, so in this first video we discuss the history of biotechnology and the what is biotechnology and its use. In next lecture video, in next video we see the enzymes and steps of RNA technology. Okay, so first we started with history and what is biotechnology. So let's begin. So first is a history of biotechnology. So history of biotechnology is started with the is come from the zymotechnology. Actually the biotechnology is come from zymotechnology. Zymotech actually is an institute that is present in Germany and that established by the syllable scientists, name of their scientists. This zymotechnology is focused on the brewing technique of beer. Okay, so biotechnology is, this word actually come from the zymotechnology. Okay, next we see the larger. So first the biotechnology meaning is something different. First meaning of biotechnology is that conversion of waste material into the valuable material, that is called the biotechnology previous meaning. But now what is the meaning of biotechnology is we see in what is biotechnology that point. Okay, so the it started with this. Okay, so the larger industrial issues, first biotechnology is so from the zymotech, it started with zymotech and then this technology is used for the to solve the larger industrial issues and is also used for the industrial fermentation. Actually in previous or in the past the scientists are not get a support of government and the public. So as this field in a as grow then they get a support of biotechnology, and during this period the genetic engineering this field is come, and then the biotechnology actually start to grow. Okay, in a front of scientists, and from this the scientists get a support of government and the public. Okay, and then in 1978 the first synthetic human insulin is produced by the Lederberg, and then this technology is valid. Okay, next is what, after this production of insulin this technology is again grow, and then actually this word biotechnology is coined by the Carlo Irki. This Carlo Irki scientist is a father of biotechnology. Okay, and that is in a Hungary, in a Hungarian city. Okay, next one is that during the 1999, as I say, the previous meaning of biotechnology is the production of valuable material from the waste raw material. Okay, that is a previous meaning, but after this discovery of insulin then the meaning of biotechnology is something different, and what that we see in what is biotechnology in point. Okay, then after the production of insulin, the 5 proteins also produce, and that is approved by the United States and their FAD, that present in United States Food Department. And this field in this way start in a grooving and get the new field biotechnology is in a put forth. Okay, next we see this is the entire history of biotechnology. Now we see what next point, that is what is biotechnology. Okay, so next point is what is biotechnology and its use. So biotechnology, there are a lot of definition of biotechnology, but according to my experience I create one definition, that this is a branch of biotechnology and that deals with the generation of product like hormone, insulin, growth hormones, blood factors also produce, and new foods like flavors, tomato, golden rice, etc., by using the rDNA technology, recombinant DNA technology. This is a definition of biotechnology that I made by my experience. Okay, and this is a, or if you wanted a typical definition of biotechnology, that is a branch of biology that deals with the combined study of science and technology to obtain the desired goods for the human welfare. That is a typical definition, and this is that I created definition. Okay, next point is the biological agent used for human benefits. So in biotechnology, the bio word and technology, actually here we use a technology on organism and we modify the organism by using technology, and that modified organism gives us a product that is useful for us. Okay, so we use the biological agent like bacteria, plant and animal. We modify them, we genetically change them, and they gives us a product and they use for human benefits. Okay, next one is genetic engineering. Actually here the three terms, that is biotechnology, rDNA technology and genetic engineering. These three word or these three term, we must know the meaning of three terms. Biotechnology is a branch, okay, that deals with product, that deals with generation of product by using the rDNA technology. Okay, now what is rDNA technology? Is a method or is a technique in which the two different DNA of two different organisms are joined and form the rDNA, recombinant DNA. Okay, that is called the rDNA technology. Now what is genetic engineering? Manipulation of an organism genome. So here what we do, here either we add the gene or we remove the unwanted gene. That is a manipulation. We do the modification or changes in the organism's genome. Okay, here we not take a gene of one organism, gene of other organism and join. No, we not do in genetic engineering that. Okay, using the biotechnology. So we can use the biotechnology for that. Next is the, so this is a three term. Okay, so that three term, meaning of the three term I explain you. You do not confuse by this three word, what is biotechnology, what is genetic engineering and what is rDNA technology. Okay, now next we see is the applications of biotechnology. So application of biotechnology in a various field, in agriculture, in a pharmaceuticals, in a food industry and in other medical industry, in a lot of field the application of biotechnology is there. So in agricultural field, by the application of biotechnology, we made the GMO, genetically modified plant like BT cotton, BT brinjals. Next is the in pharmaceutical application for the production of drugs, that is nothing but antibiotics, for the production of hormones, insulin like growth hormone, for the production of insulin we also use the biotechnology. Next is the for the production of food like goldfish. Okay, commercially is also available in market. Next, this is flavor saver tomato and golden rice is also the application of actually agriculture. Okay, but this is food, so that's why I add here. So golden rice, flavor saver tomato, this food is also formed by the biotechnology. Now what is the use of this food? Actually this food have every food that have this like one speciality. For example, the golden rice that have the vitamin A in that. Our common rice, normal rice that we use in our home, that not contain the vitamin A, that contain only carbohydrate. For example, next is a flavor saver tomato. So flavor saver tomato have what is difference between flavor saver tomato and the normal tomato? So flavor saver tomato cannot get ripen easily, that won't get tamper easily. Okay, and they do not require a refrigerator also. So this is about the history of biotechnology and what is biotechnology. In next video we see the yes we see the enzymes used in a biotechnology. Okay, so thank you. I hope this video is helpful for you.